guys, WeatherWheelHVAC here. Today we're going to be doing a video on this AirTemp. I know I made a video on it before, but yeah, I finally restored it. That's for sure. I got this back. For those who don't know, I got this back in August from KB. And last year it had a nice annoying rattle that yeah, basically condenser coil would vibrate against the back guard and against the base pan, which, you know, that makes a nice loud screeching noise. And the compressor mounts were, like, gone. Actually, I have some of the compressor mounts over here. Where are they? They're over here. It's dark in here because I have the exposures. I'm actually reshooting this video because my exposure settings were all the way up. And, yeah, they're causing the sun to be blinding through this window. So, but, yeah, here's one of the old compressor mounts. They're, like, you can't squish them anymore. Barely, anyway. One of them was, in the front, was completely gone. But, yeah. Here we are. Let's give it a, well, yeah, let's go on high fan first. This thing might sound a little bit different. It has a brand new motor in it. Well, not brand new, but it's from another air conditioner, similar to this. I pulled I had an Emerson Quiet Cool that I had parts from that I took all the parts from it out of. I stole a lot of parts from that one. But are a lot better high quality parts. Yeah. Well, I shouldn't say high quality. They're the same, if not worse, than what's currently in here. But yeah. All right. So yeah, I'll show you guys. I'll show you guys the old motor. All right. Welcome to the side of my garage, also known as the aisle of bad air conditioners. Anyway, yeah. Here's the old motor from it. Completely seized, rusted, and gone. It actually had a Samsung motor in it, which probably had to contribute to why it was such a trashy motor. But yeah, the new one's a Chinese name motor, but I really could give two craps because it works. If anything, I'll get a Fasco motor to put on it, but if it dies again, but I really could care less. Yeah, let's get back to it. Guess we'll do a startup, I guess. Don't know how I'm gonna have to record it with this. I was thinking, oh, maybe I can use the old footage, but yeah, the old footage wasn't that good. So yeah, we're gonna have to set up my sleeve as a tripod. No, I'm gonna use this chair, actually. It's probably a better idea. So yeah, I'm gonna set that up as a tripod, and we're gonna get the startup because I don't have a tripod on hand. All right, we're going. Here's our new motor. I spray painted it silver. Called the best when it works. Here's our tripod setup as well. It's a it's a chair and a brick because I am too lazy to go inside and get a tripod. All right. Yeah, but yeah, that's the outside. All right, here it is running. Let's switch her over to high cool. There is high cool. See, we have the air exchanger open and close. Alright, yeah. So yeah, we examined the outside. I'll examine it again though, because it just looks so nice. Oh yeah, here's the color I used on it. But yeah, here's the color I used on the case and base pan, pewter gray. It's a very nice color. I really do like it. I'll show you guys I'll show you guys the outside. Yeah, all right. Out here we go. Here it is. You can see it's like a tannish gray color, and like the sun, you can see it's like a tannish color, and then in darker like environments, it's like a little more gray, which I really do like. Let's see. Here's the fan running. You can see the compressor out there. Compressor mounts definitely made a much better difference. Down here, drain hole 1 and drain hole 2. We had to patch up some rust holes in this thing for sure. Yeah. There actually is still one that's kind of open, but I can, whatever, it'll just serve as a secondary drain hole. Emergency drain hole. But whatever. It's not like it's affecting, okay, can my camera focus please? There we go. But yeah, you can see where I mounted new mounts on here. I JB welded them on. Though technically speaking, you're not exactly supposed to use them on load carrying areas, but I think this should hold up since it's not like holding any weight. It's really just trying to hold it in place, but I don't know with the vibrations, but I guess it'll stand I guess I'll just stand the test of time and see what happens. Same goes with the new compressor mounts. I pulled them from a modern unit that fell out a window. Had no Freon. Everything leaked out of it. Sadly, not salvageable at any cost. So I just stole the compressor mounts from it, and I stole the parts off of it that worked, which were only the control panel actually. Fan motor was like bad bearings. Compressor, obviously you can't use that again. But yeah, I'll show you guys the old, actually I did show you guys the old motor, I'm pretty sure, so whatever, alright. Yeah, I did show you. But one of those compressors over there were from that. But yeah, there it is. It's running nicely now. It's getting cold and it's running good. We're gonna take off the grill and I'll show you guys the data tag. Just wiggle that off and right off it comes. Put that down there on the snow blower. It would stay, yeah, there we go. You can see I kind of just wiggled the filter around the thermocouple, which worked. It's high again, I guess. Here's a funny thing about these thermostats that these fetters were on. I'll show you. You can see there's a little notch there that was punched out. Basically, you can see that thing on the back of the knob, if my camera would focus again, yeah. That thing basically hits up against that, but if you pull it out far enough, you can bring it out more, and there you have a constant run. Which, currently it's too cold for me to run it like normally, but the thermostat trips out at like 70 degrees, so I can't really help that. But here's your data tag. It's currently like 66 out if I had to guess. Here's the data tag. 8,000 BTUs, 920 watts, 8.5 amps, 115 volts, of course, R22. Made in January of 1988. Come on, why isn't this? This is a brand new camera. Why is it not focusing? It's kind of slow autofocus, but whatever. It films much better videos than my other camera will ever do. Yeah. Yeah, here's the coil. I had to straighten this out a lot. But, yeah. It's cold all the way across. It gets cold relatively quick for a Rotor X. I'm honestly pretty surprised by that, but yeah. It's definitely much better than anything built today, that's for sure. Even though it is a Rotor X, it definitely stands the test of time much better than any modern unit ever will, or ever hope to will. Because the thing is, like, people have trashed these things, yeah, they're not the greatest units, yeah, most of them are at the end of their lifespan, but if you can get a healthy one, very good units. Luckily, this one seems to have very light use on it. Well, not light, but it still seems to be in good shape, that's all I'm really saying. But the Rotor X units, I mean, hell, they're already, I mean, they came out in the 70s. I still see 70s ones around. 80s ones, yeah, they're very common around here. Yeah, for a unit from that's almost like 30 years old, 30 to 40 years old, not bad at all, honestly. Then the 90s Fetters seems to switch to Sanyo rotaries, which I don't really know much on them, so I can't really say much. But yeah, I'll put the grill back on, and we'll yeah, I don't have a temp gun on me, so we can't do temps, but come on you go. There you go. Alright, there you go. It's on. Alright, let's shut it down. Put it in between speed for a second. Something's rattling, I don't know what it is. High fan again. Low fan, I'm just gonna put that further in again, I guess. Alright. There we go. Hear the refrigerant pumping. But yeah, here's what I meant. You can see there's your thermostat, goes all the way up to there. And then, but if you loosen that out, I'll show you. Loosen that out. So it's still on, but not, it's like almost off, but not almost on. Then you just click it over. You can see it's over quite a bit. That's your constant run. Alright, push that back in. You see warm, coldest. I'm just gonna leave that like that. But yeah, that's about it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.